Back to another video for Infinity Traffic Boost, and we're going to continue with placing our adverts. And I'm going to show you 3 more strategies that you might want to consider. So come down to the left hand side dashboard, the little black dashboard, click on Get Exposure. And we've already done promote pages. I'm going to come back to the solo ad in the next video, but now I'm going to take a look at text ads. So click on text ads, another window will open, and you'll see the same kind of information on each of these pages. So the amount of total credits that you've got, how many you've used, how many you have left, and if you need to buy any more, you just go here. We'll come back to that. And then again, information about what you should and should not be doing on the site, and a list of all the domains that you should not be working with, especially on ITB. And if you list one of those domains, then your ad won't get approved. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, you will see 6 different options. And some of these I've just put in today, which is why it's got no views. But this one here, and it's got 5,843 views of 8 clicks so far. So in my experience, the text ads and the banner ads are not the most responsive I've ever seen anywhere in the world. 8 clicks from 5,000 views is not fantastic. Now, it might be that people don't like the video, or that, rather, sorry, it might be that people don't like the advert that I've placed. But I've been working with Infinity Traffic Boost now for nearly 6 years, and I've always had a similar experience. Now, I'm not saying it's not worth it. Hey, these 8 clicks, they might have come through to my site, signed up, and been my best people ever. I actually don't know who they are. But the way you do it is you put in your target URL, which in this case is Bitcoin Training Camp Traffic Explosion. And then you put in some kind of text ad. And I can go back to this. Okay, if we remember, if we go back to Leads Leap and we copy this here, this URL, and we go back to Infinity Traffic Boost and we change the target URL and we paste that in, and then we put text ad. Okay, so now Infinity Traffic Boost will go through Leads Leap and we will know which ad it's coming from. So this is a great way of seeing. I mean, there's no, one of my mentors, he says, men lie, women lie, statistics don't lie. And you can't argue when you see the actual statistics. So my page is a little bit slow right now because I'm recording. So just bear with me while I do that. So what we've done now is we set up the promote page and the text ad with a link through Leads Leap, and we added on the little identifier at the end. So it's text ad. So this was the original link and then the identifier at the end. You can do the same with the others down here. And I've put in Hungry for Hits, Leads Leap, free advertising for you, and the list building club. I haven't put in viral mailer for you. I just didn't have the space because this is my main promotion. Okay, so I hope you get that. I hope you understand that. You can also put these links here through Leads Leap and come back and put in the tracker. Okay, so that's the text ads. And when you write the text ad itself, which is what people are going to see, people are going to see this and they're going to click on it. Make it a little bit exciting. Don't just put, click here to join Leads Leap. I've tried to make it a little bit exciting. Your lead generation solution starts now with Leads Leap. Join for free and start driving traffic instantly with free advertising for you. Okay, so try and make it a little bit exciting, be a little bit different from other people. And then on the left-hand side, we come down to banner ads. If you remember yesterday, or in the last video, or the first video of this series, Module 5, Video 1, we talked about using AI to create the adverts. And I had some good and I had some bad experiences with that. So the good experience was it's great for doing the images for my books. It's absolutely awesome for doing my YouTube thumbnails, which you'll probably see. And it was awesome for creating the original advert and idea, but I really had a problem getting the AI to do 125 by 125 and 468 by 60 pixel sized ads. Because they're free, they have restrictions on what you can do, and it wouldn't let me do custom designed images. It just did big ones for me, and if I reduced the size of it, it just didn't look good. So I had one or two great experiences, and then the rest of them were just, I didn't like any of them. So I've gone back to the old ads that I posted before, the images that I posted before. So just be aware of that. I'm actually looking for a free AI tool that will allow me to do custom size images, and if I find it, I will get back to you. So here is the banner ads, and they both work exactly the same, so I won't show you both. I'll just show you the first one here, the 125 by 125. If you click on that, another page will open, and again you'll see all the same data at the top. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, this is where you add in the link for the ad. So here is the identifier. So this is the Leads Leap link. This is the identifier. So it says it's coming from a 125 banner. And then I'm going to use, if I just go over to my host. Okay, so this is the URL image that and here's the image. So this is one that actually did come from the AI. So I was quite happy with that. And here I'm using the Leads Leap tracker with the identifier that it's the banner 125. So once you see the image pop up here, you know everything is okay. And then you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can save the banner ad. The 468 by 60 is exactly the same process, so I won't show you how to do all that again because it's kind of redundant. I just showed you. Just remember to use the 468 size banner, not the 125. And then down here you see the downline builder. If you've been a good student, you should have already filled all this in, because we talked about downline builders a lot earlier in the program.